Greetings, it's your math tutor here. So now we're on our lesson number 3 yang numeric and geometric patterns. A pattern with neither constant ratio nor constant difference. So without wasting any time, we're going 1.1. So question 1.1, write down the next two terms of the pattern. So I'm just going to write it here. It's 1, 2, 4, 7, and those two missing numbers. So we are going to do this. 7 minus 4 3, and then 4 minus 2 2, 2 minus 1 1. So if you take a look at this, the difference between two consecutive terms, like it's not constant. I say no more. So you are just going to find the difference. 3 minus 2 1, and then 2 minus 1 1. So that means between difference two consecutive terms, to get the next term. So that means for us to get term number 5, we're 7 plus 3, which is 10, and then 1. This is going to be what? 11. And if you check 11 minus 7, 4. And then this one will also give us 1. And then number 11 plus 4, which is what? Which is 15 plus 1. Every time this is going to give us 16. So those are the two terms on 1.1. So to 1.2. 1.2 and again, write the rule of the pattern in words. So come again, we add 1 to the difference between two consecutive terms. Again, so again we add 1 to the difference between two consecutive terms again to get the next term. Then that is how we answer 1.2. On top of this difference, you have to add 1 or the second term. For instance, we know again 1, and then we're just going to say plus 1 2, and then 2, and then plus 2 is going to be this one. So then now moving on to 1.3 again, rewrite the 7th term of the pattern. So pattern it doesn't have constant ratio or constant difference. How do we solve it? I know a specific formula. So looking at this one get term 1, and then 2 term 2, this one get term 3, this one get term 4, term 5, term 6. So if you check for us, or the 7th term without using this one, so that even if we got term number 100, you will know how to do it. If you check term 5, we are dealing with a difference of 4. So that means we will have to write 4 going backwards. So because now the one here term 7, what we are going to do, we're just going to say 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is the last one. And then we added to the consecutive difference between the terms, or our final answer. So here we're just going to say, what is 6? What is 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5, it's going to be 11. So what is 11 plus 4? 11 plus 4 is going to be what? 15. And then what is 15 plus 3? 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 2, 18 plus 2 is 20, and then 20 plus 1 is 21, plus 1 again is 22. So that means we're getting our term number 7, it's going to be 22. So we can also do it here. By doing it here, we know it's going to be 5 and then 1. So 16 plus 5, it's going to be 21, and then plus that 1 extra that we always add, it's going to give us 22. Thank you. Don't forget to watch and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.